Bridgestone has great news. Its airless tires are already in the final testing phase. In February this year, they were spotted at an oil refinery in Chiba, Japan. An electric mini car was wearing a new product. The company also had plans for the truck market. It turns out that problems with air and truck tires occur every 13,000 kilometers, and Bridgestone has great news. Its airless tires are already in the final testing phase. This amusing robot is designed to carry loads of up to 50 kilograms and can work on both smooth warehouse floors and rough terrain in particular. It has no problem negotiating inclines at up to 17 degrees or 14 centimeter steps. On top of that, it accelerates up to 6 kilometers per hour. A huge advantage is that it can be used for 17.5 hours on a single charge in any weather, as long as the platform on which the robot is built does not get colder than -20 degrees Celsius. Wind energy innovations are no less fascinating. A Spanish team developed these floating wind generators, which they claim are a breakthrough system because they are less expensive than similar products, suitable for industrial use, and are easily scalable. A 1:3 scale test prototype is already in operation in the Canary Islands, and full-scale units with a capacity of about 15 megawatts from one turbine are planned for the future. The European Commission has expressed interest in the project, and the team received approximately $4 million in early 2019. The total global technical potential of offshore wind is estimated to be 71 terawatts. According to the project page, we just want to wish the team luck and tailwind in every way. This drone will aid in the search for missing individuals. The cell phone detector is one of the coolest features. Even if there is no signal in the search area, the drone will detect a cell phone with an accuracy of a few meters in 2 hours, flying around 16 square kilometers at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour and carrying up to 10 kilograms of payload. Advanced software enables it to operate autonomously, and as soon as the cameras detect something, the data is transmitted to the operator on the ground. The operating temperature range is between -40 and +40 degrees Celsius, and the maximum operating altitude is 3 kilometers above sea level. Let's return to Earth and travel to Australia, where engineering students built the world's fastest solar-powered electric car, which drove 1,000 kilometers in 11 hours, 53 minutes, and 32 seconds, as confirmed by experts and later by the Guinness World Records, which issued a certificate. By the way, the student team was led by Richard Hopkins, former head of operations for the F1 team Red Bull Racing, who said that producing this car would be difficult. According to the TOU, approximately 2.2 billion people suffer from vision problems, and modern cities frequently turn into an obstacle course for them. Fortunately, a team from Austria wants to make life easier for the visually impaired with these shoes, which have a variety of sensors that detect obstacles and send signals to the wearer through vibration, sound, or light. The census of about 4 Mises, they're packed into a compact, dust-proof, and waterproof body. This is a 2-seat motor glider with a retractable gas turbine engine made in the Czech Republic. The wingspan is 17 meters, and the 46-horsepower engine weighs 20 kilograms and requires 2 minutes of cooling before folding. The glider can gain 305 meters of altitude. In a minute, it can fly for about 150 kilometers and perform quite complex maneuvers. Unfortunately, the manufacturing company went out of business in 2010, and its website is now only a memory in Internet archives. This is a shame, because the creators thought that these gliders would be a good option for flying schools. Let's fix that. Honda engineers have shown a new take on the wheelchair. The trick is that you can drive it without using your hands. The user simply has to lean in the right direction, and the wheelchair will move. The system works thanks to a special posture sensor that accurately detects movements while accounting for position, angle, and other parameters. And the wheelchair knows when to ascend or descend, for example, when communicating with a sitting person. The Honda Omni traction drive system allows for 360-degree movement and easily overcomes obstacles, irregularities on the road. Next, consider the new generation of pilot training helmets. These helmets assist pilots in becoming true experts. The top model has an 8K resolution, specially designed optics with exceptional clarity, and a 180-degree viewing angle. It is comfortable even when wearing glasses, is 12% lighter and more compact than previous models, and has a completely redesigned headband. Furthermore, the Auto Eye system was the first in the world to learn to analyze the pilot's eyes so that it automatically corrects the lenses, which is ideal if there are only a few helmets and a large number of pilots. Rounding out this array of innovative features is the Leap Motion Sensor. According to Harvard Medical School experts, taking 4,400 steps per day will help strengthen your body and improve your quality of life. These smart trainers, which allow you to adjust the cushioning to your body terrain and type of activity, will help you walk comfortably inside the sole. Going for a run on asphalt is no problem because the cylinders deflate and the soles stiffen. If you go for a cross-country walk, the trainers will soften and you'll feel like you're walking on the moon. Let's take a spin in the Chinese electric car Yo-Yo. The designers displayed it at the Paris Motor Show and announced a price of around $15,000 for it. The two-seater, which measures 2.5 meters in length, will not impress you with its speed or power. According to statistics, every 10th car sold in the world in 2022 will be electric. For future generations, casts have been used to treat broken bones, and patients are about to put up with not being able to scratch the affected area. But why suffer when there's 3D printing pads? They're lighter, more convenient, and practical than a solid cast, and they're made specifically for each individual patient, according to American surgeons. Another advantage is that they allow you to check the condition of the skin more easily. However, the price ranges from $200 to $500. Would you be willing to pay that much?